In this video, let's have a quick framework about whether or not to create a task or subtask. This video is brought to you by Software Horsepower. Before we build anything, one should know that Asana is a task management app. And the tips in this video will give the best starting point. This is how the Asana interface looks like. Every team uses Asana for project management. These tips give the best starting point to get the basics clear, while giving the glimpse of what one can do in the Asana once you have few projects in your belt. Here, one can see the few projects they have in their belt. Often customers have questions about whether to create tasks or subtasks or not to create them. Here one can create a new project, create a project of one large coordinated efforts with lots of tips and stakeholders. And need to see them across different views, like campaign launch events, or editorial calendar, etc. Now, after creating a project, the next step is to create a task. This workplace request was already being created, and this is a task, and from here, one can create a new task. First of all, let's create a new task and name it to fix it. Here is the new task. One can assign it to somebody, add a due date and save the task. A task called bug fixing has been created. Now let's create a subtask. For creating subtasks, one needs to click on bug fixing. One can create a subtask by breaking up a task into smaller pieces and divide the work. Like a subtask to check the block SEO keywords or investigating bug frequency, the only need is task view. But it varies if you have more than 5 tasks or multiple layers of subtasks. Which means that with other or subtasks one can create more subtasks. From here, one can add a subtask to this particular task, like bug checking and bug fixing step 1. So the 2 tasks have been created. We can create a subtask below the bug checking task called as bug checking phase 1. Tie is how another layer is created. Moving back to the workplace, one can view under the heading, bug fixing, the 2 tasks which one has created. Contact Software Horsepower to book a free demo. Visit softwarehorsepower.com.